how to get custom alarm sound on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Tools application and simply select on clock, and here you can see the alarm. Now if you want to set a custom alarm sound, what you can simply do is tap on the alarm over here. Tap on additional settings, and here you can simply see the ringtone option. So let's tap on the ringtone option, and it will lead us to a new page where you'll be able to select the ringtone of your choice for this particular alarm. So I'm going to select on the option of preferred or choose local ringtones over here, and you can choose whichever is more convenient for you. You can choose pre-installed ringtones as well. I'm going to tap on music, and as I tap on music you'll be able to see different songs. So I'm going to select a particular song over here for now, and then tap on OK. And as I tap on OK, simply tap on apply over here. As we do that, we'll be able to get the custom alarm sound on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.